Dumela, welcome back to Setswana class. Today I'll be teaching you guys a lesson about Olympics. If you're in Botswana or if you're going to go to Botswana because of what happened at the Olympics, you hear a lot of these phrases a lot. And thankfully now you'll be able to understand what people are talking about. And there's going to be a celebration that is going to be going on for years. So you better learn these words now before it's too late. Anyway, that's not a threat. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe and like. And if you are from Botswana and you think I have missed some of the translation or some of the words, and if I don't know some of the words, let me know in the comment section, and that will be much appreciated. Thank you so much for everybody who's been commenting and leaving all those suggestive comments. Wow, English. Anyway, number one thing that you should learn about the Olympics is, first of all, let me clarify that we don't have the words for the word or the translation for the word Olympic, so we're just gonna say the Olympic. That's one way of saying it. So you hear that and understand that people are talking about Olympics, the Olympic. It's kind of written in a different Setswana way, but still the same thing. All right. And then at the Olympics, we have batsa karolo. Batsa karolo, like participants. Batsa karolo is participants, okay? So I think we've talked about this and some other things. And then we are going to talk about DSL, which is like what do participants get or win when they made it to position 1 and position 2 and position 3. So DSL, we have DSL Zatar, which is like 3 medals. Maema Boraro wa Mahela bronze or koto. This translation I took it from the Bible, so I have never heard it before until I read it myself from when I was reading the Bible. I'm like, oh, that's how you say bronze. So maybe there's a way of saying it in like a everyday kind of Setswana way. I don't know what's the word. So if you know what bronze is in Setswana, let me know down below the comment section. Maemo abubedu wa magala selefer. Maemo abubedu wa magala selefer. So if you're running and you get in position 2, you are going to win silver medal. Then maemo anta wa magala go gauta. Maemo anta wa magala gauta. So if you get position 1, you're gonna get gold medal or gold. So if you are in Botswana, you hear these words a lot. Mampudi, Sekhantswane, what's the other word? So all these words, they do mean somebody who is like position 1, like the best. Okay, so let's let the ke Mampudi wa lebelo la makolo amabedi, like let's let the is the winner of the 200-meter race. So kena Mampudi wa mabelo ke Mampudi wa so all over the world he took position 1 in that sporting code. What am I forgetting here? Sekhantswane. I can direct translate to you. Sekhantswane is the winner, or in Botswana you hear this a lot. Direct translation is somebody we brag about. I just yeah. This came like it's a revelation. I was like, wow, that's how you translate this. But Sekhantswane means a celebrity. So that's how people talk about, like Sekhantswane or Sekhantswane, yeah, celebrity, I think. Am I messing it up here? And then we have and then Mofenyi is the winner. Mofenyi, like offense, you won. Mofenyi or offense, he won. Offense, you won. Ooh, yeah. Make sure that that O has some kind of lower tone and higher tone. Offense means he won or she won. Offense means you won. Anyway, that's the one for you. What else? I think that's it for now. So go fetela re kopana gape mo nakong e e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle.